So I'm actually going to use my soft sponge brush. So this is metallic ultraviolet. This one is a global colour, global colours. Beautiful, beautiful. Those are really, that's what I do. Probably some orange in a painting yesterday, but it was pretty, I did some of that fluoro pink to it. So there you go. Right. So the colours are just rolling over one another. Hopefully you do it nice and slowly, they won't muddy up. Basically, it's basically turned purple. It's turned purple. Let's just see if I can do something right. But of course, I want to put some balloon rolls, and it'll take out some of the paint and bring out, as you see, some of those beautiful vibrant colours there. You could very well balloon kiss. It's nice to even balloon kiss cards and make your own gift cards out of your balloon kisses. That particular one, I'll lift it up and show you. That's going to be crazy, but well, that is my bright and beautiful. Really happy with that. As you can see, those were the balloon kisses on the card, and dried finished effects on a picture wall app, which you can find links to and full tutorials on my YouTube channel.